I just want to do a quick unboxing, a real fast one. This is a combo, so you only get the motor, ESC, but I've already gone ahead and bought everything I need. So you got your 325 main blades. This came with the kit combo, 35A ESC. Then I've got the main gear, skids, blade holder, some cable ties, one strap, and this is part of the head. This is a fly bar. There's the rest of it. Really nice, align, I love them, they're the best. Your cyclic servo rods, main shaft, tail support thing, I don't know what you call those, fin, fly bar paddles, some more linkages, ball linkages, some tools, pinion, more screws and ball linkages and stuff. But what we've got here, torque tube, tail, sweet, align, like what I said, I love them, they really made good quality. Tail boom, torque tube, and also fly bar is in there, and also the servo rod for your tail boom. I'm going to take that out. Helicopter, nice canopy, I like this. It's not like the new ones. The new ones are just colours all over the place. This is sweet, I like it. Motors in there. And then this is the gyro I'll be using. This is brand new, I bought off eBay, 29 quid, brand new, wicked. And then I bought this off eBay, brand new. They are DS415Ms, so I've got 3 of those. There's the other one, the cyclic, and then this one is for the tail. That is DS525M, and then also using this gyro I would need to fly with 7-channel transmitter. There's my 250, a Gowie, and my 550. Sweet, that's my new project.